Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a quick video from a local sponsor that sent us some products to test out and see how they work in regards to cleaning up, degreasing items around the house, around the car, garage, any type of area where you have some dirt. So let's check out what they sent. All right, so let's dig in. And our first product from our company that we have is Super Clean. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast, and it's biodegradable. Next, we have the same type of product, but in an aerosol can spray, which is actually pretty cool. I wonder if this is going to come out as a foam or not. But these are the two products that we're going to be testing out. Thank you, Jennifer, for the hat and the shirt. Appreciate it. Super Clean brings a ton of products when it comes to all your cleaning needs. As you can see, their products are very alkaline, 40 times stronger than any green cleaning product, and 10 times stronger than the next leading brand. It could be used all around the house, the garage, outdoors construction, drilling on the farms. You could dilute it if you need for not as strong cleaning power, like let's say for your indoor furniture or any tools that you have to clean. You could dilute the product so it's not as strong and you could still get a safe clean, which is freaking amazing. You guys know I like to keep my wheels clean, and Super Clean all-wheel cleaner is a very strong cleaner that gets the job done. If you ever have any spills when you're doing an oil change, get some of this right here. It absorbs the oil so quickly from your ground. As you can see in my garage, I have a lot of dark areas, so I'm gonna kind of spray this Super Clean and get my pressure washer and try to see how good it will release this dirt off my garage floor, because you could see it is pretty stained and dirty. So we're gonna test this out over here. But they also have, they have a wide variety of products. You could check out them on their website if you're interested in getting some of their products. A lot of their products are sold at any auto parts store, such as O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone. So if you need them, check them out. But let's go ahead and spray down some areas that are really dirty and hook up the pressure washer and see how well this gets removed. All right, guys, so I'm gonna focus on this area here. I'm gonna spray this down with the foam, and I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna come in with the pressure washer and see if we could actually lift some of this embedded dirt in this concrete. Look at that. You could tell how much brighter this area is where it got cleaned up. Super impressive. I'm going to continue on and see what else we could clean. Something else that I want to tackle is my lawnmower, because this thing is just absolutely caked on with mud and grass from years of never being cleaned. So I'm just gonna spray this area down and wipe it and see how good we could get it to restore the original finish. All right, here we go. Let's give it a nice wipe down. Wow, one wipe and everything's taken off. I don't even have to scrub or anything. Will you guys please look at that? That is freaking fantastic compared to what it used to be to now. Great product, super clean, it's doing its job. Wow, it looks like I have a brand new freaking lawnmower here, guys. I could turn around and sell this for, listed as brand new, never used, thanks to Super Clean and its super clean abilities. Wow, just a quick wipe down, and we are looking spanking new. Check that out. All right, Super Clean approved. So like I said, if you're interested in getting some merchandise or some products from Super Clean, check out their website or any auto parts store that carries them. Very good products. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video, guys.